That's
This
pretty.
is the best $900 I have ever spent. I mean, you just worry about spending all that money because you saw the interview with Diane and Nathan Dillon Goodwin because you read his books. And
His
then
books
you
are
think,
good.
yeah, and then you think, well, maybe. I think she's a really good teacher, and these charts look really great, but it's nearly $1,000.
It's a lot of money, yeah, it is.
But it's so, and then this plus of having you a one-on-one, I mean, what a great creation you guys have gotten.
Oh, thank you.